Okay, so we've talked about what makes a strong De La Riva hook, managing distance. Let's take a look at about what I should be doing with the near side arm. So the arm that's on that normally grips the heel, which is the normal grip from De La Riva. So let's just say I have my De La Riva, strong De La Riva hook in at the hip. So with 8 different grips we can be making with our right hand in this case. If I'm playing a right De La Riva hook, it'll be the near side arm is going to make this grip. Most of the time, we're just grabbing the heel. The good thing about this grip is, as Tyrone pushes into me to get closer, I can use my right foot in his hip to push him back, and this grip's pulling, so it's more of a pull grip, if that makes sense. But sometimes, instead of pulling on the ankle, I need to be pushing. That might happen if Tyrone drives forward with his knee. If he drives forward with his knee, there's a lot of knee pressure on my knee. I'm taking out the De La Riva hook, and we talked about how I can use knee pressure to push him back to maintain distance. But now I don't want to be pulling on the heel, I want to be pushing. So the second grip will be a cuff grip just on the front of the pants here. And now from there, instead of pulling on the heel, I can be pushing. Right? As he drives forward with the knee, I can use my knee pressure to push back to maintain distance, but I can also push on the grip. So the heel grip, which is the first grip, is a pull grip. The cuff grip on the front of the shin is a push grip. The third grip we're going to be looking at is just a gi grip at the back. Normally we grab the Achilles. The third grip is just grabbing the pants. This allows me to push and pull. So it's kind of like a buffer between the first 2 grips. With this grip, I can pull, as in the heel grip, but I can also push, as in the cuff grip. The only weakness would be there's a wee bit of play in the gi. So maybe it wouldn't be the grip I would use if Tyrone turned his knee this way and kicked his leg to try and free the De La Riva. Too much play in there. But again, when we go into the sweeps and stuff, there will be a time and place for each of those grips. So that's the third grip that we're looking at. Okay. The fourth grip is I'm just putting an overhook on Tyrone's lead leg, and I'm going to grab the inside of my thigh. Okay. John Thomas calls this the leg hug grip. I'm just coming around this way and grabbing my thigh. We just get another angle on that, bro. I can turn around to that side. So if I have my De La Riva hook in, I'm just coming around and grabbing my own thigh here. And of course my support leg will be here as well. Okay, so that's the fourth grip. The fifth grip is just using the lapels. In this system we're not going to go into a lot of lapel guard, but there will be crossover obviously. If his lapel's hanging around, I can just open up the grip and just pass that from my left hand to my right hand. And now I've made that grip again. Good thing about this grip is, with here, posture, I have no control of his posture. Maybe his posture, and I can pull down the lapel and feed it to this hand. Posture now. Okay, so that variation can put a lot of pressure on him. Okay, so that's with that control. Another thing I can be thinking about is from this position is the underhook grip. So from my De La Riva hook here, my right hand is coming inside the shin, and I'm just going to grab my own shin from here. Again, there's a whole system from here. I have a lot of control. Notice the way when I do that, it's turning Tyrone's knee away from me. Lots of options to get into matrices and taking the back and stuff from there. Just get another angle on that. So this is our 6th grip from De La Riva. We're here. Okay. I can underhook and come around and grab my shin. Okay, so that's all I'm doing there. Okay. Our 7th grip is from here. I can open up the lapel, pass it underneath, and re-pummel to my right hand. So instead of grabbing my shin, I'm basically just grabbing the lapel. And again, the strength in this control is I've got control of Tyrone's posture to the posture pro. Whereas if I've just got this grip, posture, but now I can turn his knee. Okay, so that's our 7th grip. And our 8th grip from this control, just shuffle back this way, bro, is the Kayatura ankle lock grip. The time to go into this would be if I'm playing the game and Tyrone's driving into me and I feel a lot of pressure on my De La Riva hook. Instead of grabbing the heel, I'm going to be putting in the hook, and I'm going to bring my right hand in and actually get it on my belly here. So my hands on my belly. And now from there I can use knee pressure to start leg pressing to move Tyrone backwards. Okay. Just get another angle on that one, bro. Just here. So anytime we're here and I'm playing De La Riva and Tyrone's driving into me, okay. Yes, I can take my hook out and leg press, but this grip one, grabbing the Achilles, isn't as beneficial as me bringing my hand through. So I'm just feeding through, so I'm putting my hand into my belly. And now from there, as he drives forward, I can easily maintain distance by driving back. That foot will either be as a knee press, or I can bring it inside and start to work sweeps. And there's a leg lock, which we'll look at a different stage. So you really 8 methods of control with that near side grip.